In my professional opinion as an experienced product marketing expert, I would like to provide a detailed review of the Premium 6-Pack Water Filters by Gista. This product is made of acrylonitrile butadiene styrene (ABS) material, ensuring its durability and long-lasting performance. The product dimensions of the Premium 6-Pack Water Filters are 2.6 inches in diameter, 6.22 inches in width, and 12.09 inches in height. Its compact size makes it convenient to install and use in various settings. Weighing only 0.14 kilograms, this water filter is lightweight, which adds to its user-friendly nature. The lightweight design makes it easy to handle and replace when needed. One key feature of the Premium 6-Pack Water Filters is its external testing certification from the Water Quality Association, WQA. This certification ensures that the filters meet the highest standards of water filtration and purification. When using these filters, and if you like